There are pros and cons about being an online entrepreneur, and I'm gonna give you my honest truth. As an online entrepreneur, you're setting yourself up to be able to travel the world whenever you want, wherever you want, and be able to work as long as you have a computer and a connection to the internet. So what's the biggest problem about being an online entrepreneur? I think it's two things. Motivation. When you're all by yourself, it's hard to stay motivated. It's easy that you lose faith in the future and your ability to create something big. And another drawback is definitely that you have little or no control of your progress and your income, at least at the beginning. So as you know, the pros are of course that you can travel, you can work from anywhere. I'm right now at an Airbnb in Jacksonville, Florida, because I'm visiting friends and family. And at the same time I can work. So I've been making videos, I've been creating designs for my web shop, and making plans for future action in the new year. As an online entrepreneur, you also have freedom of time. You can work whenever you want to during the day. You're not stuck. You're not stuck in the 9 to 5. You can work whenever. You also have a freedom of niche. You can decide what you want to do, what niche you want to be in. Maybe you're an accountant. Maybe your passion is gardening. You could do a business directed to accountants, or people loving gardening, or maybe accountants gardening. Maybe you're a teacher. Maybe you're especially passionate about geography. Your business could be about teaching geography. Only the sky is the limit. If you have a hard time figuring your niche out, there are workshops at my website that you can grab for free to get you started. A huge advantage about being an online entrepreneur is that you can educate yourself whenever, wherever, because everything happens online, right? So if you want to take training, you could do it at your leisure. It's always going to be online. And if you set yourself up with our partner, LaunchU, you could actually earn while you learn at the same time. So learning to be an affiliate marketer, you can practice your knowledge by affiliate marketing. One huge advantage about being an online entrepreneur is that you write your own paycheck. There is no negotiation going on with a boss. There is no glass ceiling. You are your own boss. Being your own boss can actually also be a drawback because you have to motivate yourself all the time. In order to stay motivated, you have to find routines that will keep you going and keep you taking action. Because if you don't, nothing's going to happen in your business. That means you have to be self-motivated. And how do you become a self-motivated person? Well, you find your passion, of course, and you start creating a business around that. But you also need some colleagues, I'd say. Otherwise, you'll be lonely. And clever minds do think better together. That's why you need to join a community of some kind. I've got a community down below at my website link. You can just click it and be part of the community of like-minded people that are pursuing and chasing the same dreams as you are. Because when you're lonely, you're running the risk of being unproductive, not taking action, then everything is just going to go down the drain. It has to come from you all the time, but you could find motivation and support from others in the community. A drawback about being an online entrepreneur is that you never know how much money you're going to make. When you're hustling like a 9 to 5 job, you pretty much know you're going to get paid weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, right? When you're an online entrepreneur, you have basically no idea or very little control over your income. Especially as a beginner, you don't know when or how much you're gonna be making. And that could be like really wearing you out. Like a worry, it's uneasiness, maybe you're losing faith and stuff like that. So again, hooking up with a community of like-minded people so that you can support each other is great. Once your business is up and running and you're scaling it, of course, then you'll know. You'll have a decent idea of the amount of money you're gonna be making every month. Not knowing your income is the reason why most of us online entrepreneurs start out with our online business as a side hustle, passive income that we're scaling slowly while we're supporting ourselves in a 9 to 5 job. Remember, this is gonna take time because everything you make in your business as a beginner, you wanna reinvest into your business. So if this is giving you value, please smash the like button. It helps a lot, thanks. And also give me some comments down below. What kind of business do you want to create? Share in the comments below what your passion is. Possibly that's your niche. Another drawback about being an online entrepreneur is that when you travel, sometimes the internet connection isn't all that good, or you're looking at a spot to shoot videos, but there's too much noise, and stuff like that. So that's a bit of a drawback, but it's at the same time a luxury problem. So what's the biggest problem about being an online entrepreneur? I think it's two things. Motivation. When you're all by yourself, it's hard to stay motivated. It's easy that you lose faith in the future and your ability to create something big. And another drawback is definitely that you have little or no control of your progress and your income, at least at the beginning. If you want the support of a community and some training to find your niche target audience, your marketing messages, just click my website link below and hop onto the free training that's available there. And I'll see you in the next one.